In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Total Wireless phone. If you purchase a new phone, the SIM card may be already installed, and if not, insert the Total SIM card into your device's SIM tray. Press and hold the power button until the screen lights up. Now open a browser on your phone or computer and go to totalwireless.com/activate. Choose one of the options. If you're a new customer, choose New Customer for new lines, and if you're replacing or upgrading a device, choose Existing Customer. Enter the required details such EMI number, SIM card number, and your service plan information you'll need to pick or redeem one. If you purchased a plan with your phone, it should be linked automatically. If you bought a plan card separately, enter the service pin found on the card. After activation, power your phone off and on again to finalize setup. Just make a test call to confirm that your line is active. Try sending a text and connecting to mobile data. Your Total Wireless phone is now set up and ready to use.